There are two different applications for programming on the Microsoft stack, Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. The features offered in both are quite similar, but Visual Studio Code is an editor while Visual Studio is an integrated development environment. Visual Studio Code is cross-platform and fast, while Visual Studio is only available for Windows and a version for Mac. For completeness, we're going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code, but we will be using Visual Studio to guide you in your development journey. But we wanted to point this out as an available option if you choose to go this route. Let's install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. From developer.microsoft.com, select Visual Studio Code, then select Visual Studio Code for Windows. This will start the download process. Once the download is complete, open the executable. Select the default options, but feel free to customize it to your needs. We will choose the defaults. After the installation is complete, select Finish, and Visual Studio Code will launch. Select Extensions. Notice that we have C# already installed is an option. If you don't see this, search and install the extension.